Hello guys, this is with me. Let's go to my. Okay. Look at it. Let's go to microwave the car. What the? Why when the car's gone? I can't live now anymore. Right? What about? Press it. 3 days later. Oh. This is why the car is not staying here. Let's go place it. 1, 2, 3. What the hell? Why you have ano ba? Why you have this here?